How to operate the client portal in the Trend Analyze report. As a company created in the IoT Box Systems, you have the option of providing your clients with access to the system. When your clients log in to their client portal, they will only have access to their own information. In order to provide your client with an access to the system, you must first set their login details. Click the Edit button located in the Client List page. The client will need a code and a password, which you set yourself, and a client ID, which is a unique parameter created automatically by the system. Now let's log out and then log in as if we were the client. We will enter the code, the password, the client ID, and select the user type client. I would like to first elaborate on the Visit dashboard, which contain visual graphs and charts of analyzed data. In the top section of this dashboard is the visit value. These charts display the average barcode value reported in visits that were performed within this client. The section contains two performance indicator charts. They can be used for comparing different barcodes or different time intervals. To operate this chart, first select the desired date interval. You can select between viewing a template data or a specific barcode data. To view template data, select the desired template and press the Template Data button. The chart displays the scale range of the selected barcode template divided into the colored intervals. As you can see, within the selected dates, this amount of visits were performed, and in these visits, this amount of barcodes from the selected template were reported. This number represents the average value of these reported barcodes. If you wish to view the interval details, press the Legend button. For analyzing a specific barcode, you need to first select it from the list and then press the Barcode Data button. The next section contains the visit pictures. These are the last pictures that were added in the client visit report. Use this button to change the display amount. Hovering with the mouse over will display additional picture details, such as the related barcode, the visit date, and the picture note. Double-clicking on an image will display the details and a link to the related visit report. Next are the visit graphs. These show the amount of visits that were performed within this client. The yearly visit graph displays the amount of performed visits in each month of a selected year. And the monthly visit graph displays the amount in each day of a selected month. Again, you can select between viewing a template data or a specific barcode data. The last graph is the task pie charts. The performance chart displays the amount of tasks that were set to be performed within the selected date interval and divides them into three categories by using different colors. The red color represents the amount of tasks that were not performed. The green represents the amount of tasks that were performed, and the yellow represents the amount of tasks that were performed but were marked as uncompleted. The time chart displays the performed tasks while dividing them into two sections: green for tasks that were performed on time, and red for tasks that were not performed on time. Same as in the other graphs, you can use the filters if you wish to view data of tasks that were set for a specific barcode or specific barcode templates, or even according to specific task template. Next is the Sites page. This page contains a list of the client's sites and a link to the site tool map of each site. For more information on how to operate the site tool, see the related tutorial. In the Visits drop-down menu, there is the Closed Visit page. This displays a list of all the visit reports, and if exist, their additional reports, such as risk management and surveys, and their Google Maps. The Merge page displays the client's merge visit reports. The Done Tasks page displays a list of all performed tasks with a link to their visit report. The Client Files page contains all files that the client was given access to view. I just want to quickly remind you that providing your clients with access to files is done within the company login, where you use the Admin's File page to add files to the system while marking them with client usage. And then, in the Client's Edit page, adding the desired files using the Add New button located in the Files tab. Now back to the Client Portal. The Reports tab contains the exception and the responsibility logs. For more information about that, you can view the related video tutorial. Pressing the Reports button leads to the client's report list. These are the reports that the company has given the client access to view. I would like to elaborate now on the Trend Analyze report. This report is a management quality control tool which can help visualizing trends over time. The report includes a graph that displays the average or sum values of selected barcodes in the selected date interval. First, select whether you wish to view a yearly, a monthly, or a quarterly report. Then select the desired dates. The report can display up to 3 date intervals simultaneously. The next step is selecting the graph type and aggregation. Select the average for displaying the average value calculation of all reported barcodes, or select sum for displaying the sum amount of these values. The Note field can be used for adding text that will be displayed on the report itself. The report includes a few options of barcode filters. The first one is Area. Use this field if you wish to view the value calculation of barcodes from a specific area. The second one is Site. Use this filter to view barcodes from a selected site. You then have the option of selecting a specific barcode or barcodes. The last option is filtering by a barcode template. After you have selected the parameters, press the Show button. In this example, you can see the average value of the reported barcodes within each month of the selected years. If a note was added, it will be displayed here. So, we have reached the end of our tutorial. We went over all the graphs, charts, and information a client can view when logging into the client portal.